Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account from your Lightworks app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Lightworks software in your laptop devices. If you don't know how to download Lightworks in your laptop device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Just simply tap on it. You will be provided with two options: activate license and sign out. You are looking to sign out, right? Just simply select the second option, sign out. Are you sure that you want to sign out? Now click on yes. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna sign out or log out from your Lightworks account in Lightworks app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.